Welcome back to my channel. My name is vassaOlga. I've just finished my tutorial where I explained how to create this makeup look, winter type makeup look, and now we're moving to a little bit different section. Guys, I will be showing you how I take care of my skin after so much makeup. It's definitely a lot of makeup, and I'm gonna be talking and leading you through my skincare routine, like nighttime routine. First of all, you can obviously see that I'm gonna take off all of my accessories. Funniest part that I don't really have anywhere to go, especially today. I have a few appointments tomorrow, but for now I just stayed home. So I'm gonna do like a ponytail, but I guess I'm gonna take off now. I'm gonna take off my shirt first, and then I'm gonna make sure that I have all my hair hidden like that. First things first, I'm gonna take off my lashes, my falsies. I can do this easily, but if you actually have some problems and it's stuck to your lashes, then go ahead and you can water them with like warm water first and then just do some routine. I have some glitter on, and to make sure that I'm getting rid of this glitter, I'm taking like a sticky tape and taking off this glitter as much as possible. Look at that, the difference. Before I go and take off all this makeup, I love taking off lips with a cotton wand, and I use Cosmia. This is some French brand, but you can use any micellar water that you have. I don't do this every single time. Like lip products, they're always, not always, but most of them are like waxy, and it's really hard to take them off with soaps. I leave my micellar water, cotton disc with micellar water, over my lids with glitter for a couple of, I don't know, seconds, probably maybe 20 seconds or something. So I want to make sure that it's gonna come off easily. And then we're gonna move to my bathroom where I'm gonna show you my second step. I'm using some cleansing gel. It can be any brand. I showed you Dove, one of my favorite brands, but I was out of stock. That's why I ordered something different. It has no name, like no brand greening or whatever. And I'm just gonna use some water first. I need soak my face in water, and then I'm going to use this cleansing gel. And the reason why I don't use micellar water is because I don't really love using cotton discs, and that is the main reason why I'm using soap instead of micellar water. I'm taking off my makeup. Now I'm going back to my room, to my camera, and I'm going to show you the rest of my routine. So I've been struggling with really huge problem. I film a lot, like a lot, and that is the main reason why my SD cards, they're just like dying. The previous time I bought my SD card was like 1 year ago, a little bit more than a year ago, and now I have constant problem with my cards. Okay, so let me make sure. Okay, I have clean, fresh face, and it's really dry. It's dry, not really, but it's a little bit dry. I'm using this Korean brand. This is Aqua peeling, and this is the toner. This toner is really cool, but I don't really use it every single day. Only if I had like full face with like routine and whatever. So what I do, even for toners, I'm not using any cotton discs. I'm just gonna take a few splashes of this toner and transfer over my face, a bit over my neck. My cousin, she said that it didn't work for her. She said that every single time she applied this toner, the next day she had a lot of breakouts. That is the main reason why I cannot suggest this toner, but it works for my skin really well. The next formula that I'm going to be using is going to be clarifying serum. So it's winter time. This routine is basically for my winter time period, especially when it's snowy and windy. I have really dry skin. I don't know, it's so cruel to my face that I end up with flaky skin, even in this area or somewhere here. That is the main reason why I actually do this routine during winter time. But during summer, I don't really need that because my face feels pretty much hydrated. I can add only this toner and I'm gonna go. I actually really love Beauty Bay products. That's why I ordered one more time the same products that, oh my god, I showed you 2 years ago. And as the final, almost final step of my routine, this is Beauty Bay Rich Moisturizer. So I'm almost out of this product. I'm not using a lot because if I use a lot of the product, the next day I'm gonna break. For my lips that are extra dry, I'm using some lip balm. It doesn't really matter which one. For my hands, not only hands but my legs, I use this cream. Yeah, it's some sort of a cream. Repair Balm. This is Balm. And I'm almost out of the product. There are just like some leftovers. This is really good. It's super rich and it's so thick. You don't really need much. This is Yves Rocher. Whatever. But I do know that it's really good. I'm gonna list the down below in the description box as well. And as the final step, when I feel super tired, guys, like super tired, and my legs are killing me, I bought this balm with herbs in Thailand. Actually, this is so good. It's so good. Like, I don't have much of the product left, but you don't really need a lot of this herbs like balm. I apply this over my legs, but please, that's really important. That's really important that you have to clean your hands. You have to wash your hands with really good soap. I mean, you can do this even 2-3 times because if you actually get this into your eye while you're sleeping or like near your face, it's gonna burn a lot. It's gonna burn, and this is not something that you really want to experience. I saw pretty much the same balm in the local store, but this one was Indian spices store. That's it. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos, hopefully, and till the next week, till my next time. Bye bye.